Streets are crying every night, children hiding from the fight, brothers running nowhere to stay, praying they'll survive another day. Some came searching for a dream, now they're caught in a painful scene. Fear has taken love away, can we find a better way? We all bleed the same red blood, why must tears become a flood? Peace is stronger than our hate, before it's all too late. One Africa, one heart, one land. Let's build together, hand in hand. No more burning, no more pain. Let love rise up again. Justice for every woman and man. Working together is the better plan. Different countries, one humanity. Let's live in peace and unity. People cry for jobs and bread, families struggle, hope has fled. But anger cannot heal the scars or bring us closer to the stars. Leaders hear the people's voice, now is the time to make a choice. Protect the weak, uphold what's right, bring back hope instead of fright. Zimbabwe, Malawi, Mozambique, Nigeria, Congo, we all seek a place where children laugh and play, not run in fear every day. Ubuntu lives inside us all. Together we stand, divided we fall. One Africa, one heart, one dream. Life is more than it may seem. Let's replace the hate with grace and see each other face to face. No more mothers left to cry, no more innocent people die. May peace forever light our way. One Africa beginning today. One people, one future, one hope. Let peace be louder.